The third kit that I've put together for you is our Super Cleanse and Clarify Duo. And in that kit, you're going to get these two wonderful full-size certified organic products. We have our Superfruit Exfoliating Wash-Off Cleanser and our Vitamin C Brightening Serum. So this Superfruit Exfoliating Wash-Off Cleanser has acai in it, it has blueberries, and it also has grape skin. So it has a wonderful multi-fruit complex, which is what gives it the AHAs and is going to help get the cell turnover that you need and reveal a really clean, clear skin in readiment for the acceptance of these wonderful ingredients in our Vitamin C Brightening Serum. Incidentally, it smells divine. It has a beautiful blueberry scent, which was achieved naturally from the blueberries, and the color is from the grape skin, so all naturally derived. The Vitamin C Brightening Serum, again, this is going to be wonderful to help keep your skin clean and clear. It has the high percentage of vitamin C in here, and that is great for anyone with a sensitive skin, anyone with any acne or rosacea or eczema. It helps for collagen production, and it also has turmeric in here, which is lightly antibacterial, helps with any blemishes. It is also great for any pigmentation, and just great for lightening and brightening the skin, which is wonderful. Rosehip, again, is going to feed the skin with omegas 3 and 6, and just wonderful products together to keep your skin clean and clear. Now, of course, they also have the basis of the Superfruit Renewal System, which is the organic aloe vera suspension, aloe vera juice suspension of Davidson plum, kangaroo apple and desert lime. So give these a try and let me know how